peanut butter. I'll show you how it looks like peanut butter. So we need to blend more. So the other one. So we will check it. Open this, no? Then we'll see how it goes. Yes, goes to peanut. We need to look and start again. This is for the monster cookies, so no need too much fine. It will be okay. And then we will start. I think this is fine. This is yeah, perfect. So it's good for cookies. So we will remove it. This is the cake. And then it's done. Switch off. So it's good for cookies. We will make today a monster cookies because I don't have peanut butter. So I have a whole peanut, roasted peanuts, and then I make like this. So it's good for everybody that knows how to play with the ingredients. Now I'm mixing butter, sugar, white and sugar brown together. I will wait until it's peel color and then I mix the peanut butter. It is important to scrape down all your sugar and butter together and then continue mixing to avoid other part not mixed properly, and let it whip again. Now I have a flour, 1600 flour, and I have to add 25 grams of baking soda. 25 grams of baking soda. Mix it together. And now you have to add 400 grams of oatmeal. So this is the oatmeal. 400 grams of oatmeal. You have to mix it again, and all dry ingredients must be together. And you keep it set aside. You see the color get pale, so you have to add the eggs. I have 10 eggs. You need to put slowly one by one. So now I will pour the eggs one by one. Okay, and you have to wait until it incorporate properly. Now it's getting mixed together with the egg and the butter, sugar mixed together. And for the next one, we need to incorporate the peanut butter. If you don't have peanut butter and you have a peanut, you can blend it in the Robo cup and you can make it peanut butter. This is the peanut butter we made previously. Now so your monster cookie done. So now we are done the monster cookies dough. We need to put in the chiller, or if you are rush, you need to put into the freezer to get it set for 2 hours. You need to cover by plastic so no other moist coming inside of the dough. To chop these M&Ms for decoration. So this is the M&Ms, and then we will be ready for our cookies today. You have to be quick. You have to be careful while you're chopping this chocolate M&M because it is very hard. So you have to cut it. We will use our we have to cut it all together. Very hard. Be careful. Cut the end. Today we need the 85 monster cookies. So we need to make more. This is to make color of your cookies. Disclaimer, this is not attention to commercialize the products. This is based on the ingredients what we need. So now we need to make the cookies like this. You have to put this one, and then it's about 50 grams. Then you have to put in the tray. Okay, so like this. And then we need to bake for around 10 minutes. Okay, this is a cookies I prepared in our tray. It's about 60 grams of total quantity of per cookies, and then you have to prepare this. Yeah, the M&Ms should break it and keep on top of the cookie. We will bake it and see you next. We will bake it for around 170 degrees in the combi oven. But if you're using deck oven, you just put the 180 because the combi oven must stronger than deck oven. Hi, now we will bake the cookies. The one we made previously, the monster cookies. So we have 96 pieces. I got order for tomorrow. So this is our oven. It's a very good rational oven. We will bake the cookie about 165 because this is very strong. So we need to cook this properly, and then to make sure that everything is going well. Right now I will put in these cookies into the oven. My preheat. It's open. I will take it. Now it's ready to bake my 100 pieces of monster cookie. It's ready. Put first 8 minutes because it's a big cookie, so we will check it. Go press. So it's still not ready, so I will extend for 3 minutes. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments below, and click the notification bell.